Hello guys, welcome to Global Perfusion Community. I am Vivek Paul and I am a cardiac perfusionist. I am from India. And today you will see what a cardiac perfusionist actually does during the heart surgery in the operation theatre. So there are three main members: the cardiac surgeon, cardiac anesthetist and cardiac perfusionist. So the cardiac perfusionist has to maintain all the blood circulation artificially through the heart lung machine. So now we are heading towards the surgery. So the patient is ready, everything is ready, and we are going to start the surgery. We have two surgeries today. The first one is the coronary artery bypass grafting. So in this surgery we will bypass all the blocked arteries of the heart, and now as you can see the grafting is done and the patient is doing well, everything is fine. So now we are going to start the second surgery. We are getting ready for the second surgery. So the second surgery is the valve replacement surgery. So the valve of the heart is replaced, and during the surgery the patient's blood circulation is maintained by the perfusionist. So the blood comes in the reservoir and it is given back to the patient after oxygenation through the heart lung machine. So the perfusionist maintains all the heart and lung function artificially through the heart lung machine, and all the blood parameters, all the organ functions are monitored by the perfusionist. The blood pressure, urine output and all the electrolytes and blood gases are maintained in a normal range by the perfusionist to keep the patient alive during the surgery. As the patient's heart is stopped, the patient's heart is opened to replace the valve. So now the patient's valve is replaced, everything is fine, all the parameters are normal, and now we are ready to come off bypass. So we will gradually stop this machine and the patient's heart will start beating. So as you can see, now we are off bypass. So the machine is stopped and the patient's heart is functioning well, the valve is replaced and everything is fine. So for more information, follow Global Perfusion Community on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube.